नमस्ते, म हुँ प्रियङ्का कार्की जोशी
नमस्ते, म हुँ आयुष्मान जोशी
र आज हामी कुराकानी गर्नेछौँ कोरोना भाइरस कोभिड-19 को बारेमा।
Now, COVID-19 has become one of the biggest health challenges in the world in this generation.
This outbreak was declared a public health emergency of international concern on 30th January 2020.
And on the 11th of February 2020, WHO announced a new name for this coronavirus, COVID-19.
The first case of coronavirus was seen in Wuhan, China on 31st December 2019.
And up until date, 192 countries and territories around the world have reported more than 300,000 confirmed cases and a death toll of more than 15,000 deaths.
Coronavirus has been rapidly spreading all over the world. But luckily for us, the spread has not been as rampant in Nepal, and we can definitely use this to our advantage.
Now, what we must remember is how we can stop, control, delay, and reduce the impact of this virus in our country.
Every individual can make a difference. Everybody can contribute. You can take care of yourself, your loved ones, your family members, your neighbors, to your community, to your workplace, to the healthcare system, and even the transport system.
Now, what we must remember is that this is not the end of it all.
We still have the power to push this virus back.
Absolutely. And it is our actions that will determine where this virus will take us.
But the most important thing to remember is that we have to act now.
Now, let us discuss a few ways we can prevent the spread of this disease.
Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Why? Washing your hands with soap and water or using alcohol-based hand rub kills viruses that may be on your hands. If soap and water isn't available, make sure you use a sanitizer, which has 60% or more alcohol.
Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow when you cough or sneeze. Why? Droplets spread virus.
Avoid close contact, at least 1 meter or 3 feet, with people who are unwell, coughing, or sneezing. Why? When someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth, which may contain the virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus, if the person coughing has the disease.
Stay home and self-isolate from others in the household if you feel unwell.
Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of hot water every day. The virus stays on your throat area for 3 to 4 days before it moves to the lungs. Consuming hot liquids can kill the virus before it reaches your lungs.
Gargle with hot water and vinegar or lemon or salt at least 2 times a day.
Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth if your hands are not clean. Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth.
Do not, I repeat, do not step out of the house if you are unwell. Is it an emergency? If so, don't forget to take a mask with you and wear it at all times. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, flu, and even COVID-19. The only person that can help you in this situation is yourself.
Stay aware of all the outbreaks related to COVID-19 by following the website of WHO. Do not listen to any news that comes by you unless it is from the government of Nepal or from your local health authorities.
Now recently, there's a new website, covidnepal.org, where you can be updated about the virus in our country.
Also, there's a number given by the government, which is 1135, where you can dial for any questions, any queries, or to get any information.
Now, the one thing you must remember is that there are many fake news about the COVID-19, especially on social media. So do not panic and reconfirm on those information with a verified portal.
This is the time that you can spend with your family. You can stay home and draw and paint and do all the things that you've been pushing for so long because you don't have time. So make use of this time. If you're ill, if you're coughing, if you have the flu, make sure you stay inside. This disease can be mild, with very mild symptoms for a lot of people, but then it can also be severe for some of you. So protect yourself, protect your friends and your family. And do not panic. Don't let this affect you mentally.
Now, the most important thing is stay safe, stay clean. This too shall pass.